I want to tilt over to your term before, Tom, of bit dog. I think it's becoming bit dog. The world's changed for cryptocurrencies. We had this massive pump on the halving and the ETF pile-in, and the Trump administration jumping on board and very well entrenched in the space now, and it's peaked. It's classic, I think, peak, bull market peaks on euphoria. The thing is now it's dragging everything lower with it. So as of Friday, the Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index was down 21% on the year, was up almost a third. Bitcoin is right now down about 10% a year, and the key thing is where's it go next? And the key thing I look at is at the same time cryptos are going lower, stock market volatility is just buried. Now we know the VIX is up, but 120-day volatility is still around 11%. That's a very low level. So I think the whole space has got more de-risking to go into the end of the year, which is probably the primary risk.
Is there, for Bitcoin, does technical analysis work, Mike? And if so, is there a support number? Like, I don't know, I just kind of thought support was 100,000 and we blew past that.
Exactly, that was the key level, certainly psychological. Now, Paul, it has to work. It doesn't necessarily has to work, but it has to matter because, as Tom always points out, there's no underlying, there's no basis. Like I trade crude oil futures, I know I'm trading those against crude oil. I trade treasury bond futures, I know I'm trading those against treasury bonds. In Bitcoin and cryptos, there's no basis except for crypto dollars. So the key level now, I think, is around 84. It's been holding 84. It's a decent support level. The key resistance is around 94. That'd be unchanged on the year. And my bias, it's more at greater risk of breaking through 84 and getting towards 50 than going higher. And the key thing about 50 is I love how crypto people say, look at the chart. But if you look like an annual chart going back to 2020, 21, 50 has been a key level for many years.
Wow, 50. All right. Gold seems to be holding at that 4,000 level here pretty solidly, Mike. Is that a good support here?
It's becoming the part of it. Gold's been in stair-step rally. Step up to 3,000, hang out. Step out to 4,000, hang out. The problem is now it's so extended versus a 60-month moving average. Tom would like this. It's about a 3 standard deviation move. You have to go back to 1980s. And the key thing that's happening about gold, well, exactly. It's never rallied at this type of velocity with stock market 120-day volatility this low. That's just never happened. That's what I'm concerned that volatility might pick up into the year end.
Mike, we don't care. Coral Gables, Florida. Is the real estate market cracked? I mean, real estate never goes down in Coral Gables, right?
Well, I'm hearing it everywhere, Paul. Certainly here, recently reduced. Most buyers, most transactions now are at reduced prices. And that's what I get from my colleague on the journalist team, which I sit right next to. I'm hearing it everywhere. Same with farmland in the Midwest, which I'm very close to. Recent reduced prices are all trying to drop. They're just not lifting offers anymore.